Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. The third and last puzzle is a tectonic with 4 stars in today's newspaper on Wednesday, February the 23rd, 2022. Yeah, in this additional we have 6 extra puzzles. The first one, letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, binary puzzle number 1, and a tectonic with 1 star. And those puzzles I'm not interested, so total of 6 puzzles, and I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve, and I've already solved 2 puzzles, the Sudoku with 3 stars and the binary. So this will be my last puzzle of today, tectonic with 4 stars, number 41701. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13, I believe 13 or 11. No, 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one, I do not know. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes, that's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Okay. All right, so let's get started. All right, first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here 1 single box, always a 1. Following question, dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes in this puzzle? No dual boxes here. All right, then triple boxes then. I see 2 triple boxes. Here 1, there 1. It contains the 1, the 2, and 3. I cannot fill this up yet. Need to wait for more information. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, the box near the middle box, this box, can only be 4 or 5. Remember this. Here also a triple box. So the box, the inside box near the middle box, always 4 or 5. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in the triple box for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 3. Okay. Triple box. Then quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes here? No quadra boxes in this part. Well, here we have a quadra box. 1 2 3 4. And when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Okay, always a 5. Quadra box. Then the following strategy. Yes, the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or construction. For example, the L shape. Here we have an L shape. Let me draw this. Mirrored. Yes, mirrored. When you see an L shape, yeah, an L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay, here another L shape, or figure, or construction, structure. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, more L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Let me draw this here. Alright. Okay. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shapes? No. This kind of shape. Let me draw this here. Alright. This kind of shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. More of these kind of shapes? No. I believe those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 3 of them. Yeah. There are more. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. Why you need to recognize? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right, these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there in this L shape. We have 2 missing numbers for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Okay, let me see. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This is a 2, and this is a 4, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4, and that box is connected with this box, so this should be also a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be a 2. All right. Let me see. This box can be a 5. This box can be a 3. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and 5. So 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Okay. I've marked this box with a 4 or a 5. Well, now we have a 4 there, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 5 and 2. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. This box can be 3 or a 5. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 3 and a 5. So 1 box left in this cross area for the number 1. Okay. Let me think. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. This box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Okay. Then this box can be a 3, and this box can be a 5. We have a double 3 and a double 5 there. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Well, I have a double 3 here. I cannot place the 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5. And that box should be a 3. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. All right. Let me see. Well, this box cannot be a1, and this box cannot be a3. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3 here is reserved for the 4 and the 5. 4 or 5. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So those two boxes should be a pair. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Okay. That means that this box cannot be a 1 and cannot be a 3. We have a double 1 and double 3 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. One box left in this treble box for the number 2. Okay. Well, let me see. These two boxes can be 4. Those two boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These two these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Okay, these two boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. 3. Interesting. 2. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. Okay. Think. Yeah. 4 or 5. Well, this box cannot be 4 or a 5. We have a 4 and a 5 there. So, can it be 2? So, 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. Again, 1 and a 3, okay. I need a 4 in these 4 boxes. Well, this box can be a 4. And this is reserved for the 1 and the 3. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. It's a pair of the 4 and 5. So that box should be a 4 now. These two boxes can be 4. So the 4 and the 3 goes together as a pair. The other pair should be the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those. 1 and the 2. This box cannot be a 3, and that box cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Oh, wait. The 4. I need a 4. 1 and a 3. 2 numbers left. 1 and a 3. Alright. Yeah. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yeah, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. That means that box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 should be here. 1 box left in this L shape for number 4. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. Okay. Let me see. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Well. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Almost finished. Okay, 4, 1, 3. Interesting. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 3. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. These 3 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can it be 2, should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. This box, I think it's a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. Then this box can be a 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes together with the 4 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Wow. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars a puzzle. And I like this one, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, new day, new puzzles in a new edition. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.